So for this assessment, I will be using IntelliJS IDE, and to set up the file locally, I uh, clone the repository and open the jar file by using project structure. So here's an example how you import a jar file. And once you import jar file, you can see the code is compiled successfully. And for this this part is the first question on the homework. Basically, you get the name by a patient ID. So once you enter the patient ID here, you throw uh, into the API, and it will search by this ID. So once it gets the ID, it return a bundle, and we'll be returning the patient name from the bundle. And the second part is homework is search ID by patient name. So potentially we can have multiple patient ID returned by the same patient name. So the logic is we initialize an ID list that will be used as the return site, and we use the name from the API, and we'll get a bundle. And we iterate through the bundle, and we check if there are any duplicates. So we only keep the unique IDs in the list. Since there are multiple pages, we just make sure we go through all the pages. So exactly same logic, we go through all the pages, and for each page we perform the same operation above, and then we go to the next page to finalize our ID list. And here's our testing unit test. So I use the JUnit framework, which is standard for Java. And here's the base URL. And for the first question, I use the patient ID 128-556. And here's the expected name. And we check against the return value against the expected name. So for second question, I set the test as following. I search for a patient name called XXX. Well, there are roughly 12 of patient with name XXX, and we run the code. After we run the code, we check two lists, see if they match. So let's see. And the test passed.